to you before Thanksgiving. Because, you know, not everyone has a big family. I mean, you know, if you have a big family, you're going out and buying a 15 or 20 pound turkey, you're defrosting it for days, and that's fine. You know, who likes the drumsticks, who likes the white meat. But if you have a small family, maybe it's just the two of you, or, you know, maybe just 3 or 4 of you, this recipe is great. And you make it in the Crockpot. So don't put your nose up on this until you taste it. It's pretty darn good. So I'm gonna get started, but if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. I have some great recipes coming up between Thanksgiving and Christmas, so you won't want to miss them. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna need is a crock pot. And you're gonna spray the inside of your crock pot with a non-stick spray. Okay. Now, you are going to be using a 3-pound turkey breast for this recipe. Now, I purchased, and they sell the Butterballs, and they're boneless turkey breast. They're exactly 3 pounds, and it's all breast meat. Inside, they even give you a packet of Butterball turkey gravy. But anyway, we're making this scrumptious all white meat turkey breast in our crock pot. Now you might as well get started on it early, because it is going to take 7 hours on low in the slow cooker. So this is, I took it out of the package, and this is how it came. And it's 3 pounds, it's all white meat. They do have the netting wrapped around it, which I'm going to leave on there. And I sprayed my pan, and I'm going to put this, my hands are clean, right into the slow cooker. Alrighty. So now, I have a little bowl here. Let me reach over for it. And in this bowl, I'm going to make a little sauce that I'm going to pour over this turkey. So what you want to put in here, and I'll put the recipe down below for you in that more box. What you want to put in your bowl is a 16-ounce can of cranberry sauce. Now I got the jellied one. I didn't get, you know, don't get the whole cranberries. So put that in there. And if your cranberry sauce happens to be 14 ounces, don't worry about it. I'm not worrying about it. Seems like now everything you buy is shrinking. Your cereal and so many other things. The boxes are a lot smaller, even your pudding, than they used to be. So I have that in there. Now I'm going to put in here 1 envelope, which is actually an ounce, of a package of dry onion soup mix. And this is the Lipton's. I have here the Lipton's onion soup mix and dip. And there's 2 of them in here, and they're 1 ounce each, so I'm just going to put 1 envelope in here. If I can rip it. Is there a secret to ripping it? Oh, down below. Okay. So I'm going to put that in with the cranberry sauce. Ooh. Okay. And now, last but not least, I'm putting in a 1/2 cup of orange juice. I am not putting in the one with the pulp. I happen to have the Tropicana fresh squeezed, and it's no pulp. Use any brand you want, but don't get the pulp one. So I'm going to mix this a little bit together, a little bit here in the bowl. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it over my turkey breast. Pretty easy so far, right? So I don't know what everybody's doing for Thanksgiving, but like I say, I always find sometimes the holidays are bittersweet for a lot of people. I mean, you have to remember, not everyone has a big family. There's some people that live alone, and you know, not everybody is rah-rah happy for the holidays. I mean, this year is going to be very different for me. You know, my husband of 56 years passed away April 8th. So it will be the first Thanksgiving that he won't be here. So, then we also have Christmas coming up, and I felt like I didn't even really want to celebrate the holidays, but I have children and I have 4 grandsons, and it's really not fair to any of them. So we'll do the best we can. We'll remember him, we'll laugh, we'll cry, and we'll try and have the best time we can. All right, so this is all mixed up, but my point there was my daughter's mother-in-law is in a nursing home now, so that's already 2 less people. So my son-in-law did buy a big turkey, but I was just using that as an example because there's a lot of people that don't have a lot of family or friends around the table, and this would be perfect for them. All right, so I'm going to now, gotta stand up for this, pour this over my 3-pound turkey breast. Okay. Get all of that out of there. I think this is delicious. You're going to have the kind of the sweet and salty. You know, you have the onion soup in there, and you have the cranberry sauce in there, and then that orange juice. So I'm going to just put my lid on it. I mean, what could be easier than this? But depending on when you want to eat, just make it ahead of time or get up a little early. That's another thing. When you have those big mama turkeys that are 15, 20 pounds, you have to practically defrost them for a week, and then you have to set your alarm to get up God knows how early in the morning to get it in the oven. So this sounds good to me. All right, so let me put this on low, slow cook, and I'm going to set it for 7 hours. And I will be back later. I have shopping to do. I'm going to go to Costco, which is probably going to be a big mistake because it's going to be crowded right before Thanksgiving, but it's better than going on the weekend or a couple of days before. So this little turkey will be cooking while I'm gone. We'll have maybe a late dinner, but that's okay. We'll share it with you, so don't go away. Okay, well, the turkey breast is all done. Look at that. It's nice and brown in there from all the yummy stuff I put on it. Let me see. Oh, look at that. See? Look at that. So I'm going to take it out now. It's very hot because I need to take the string off there that's around it. So let me move this over here and take the turkey breast out. Oh yeah, that's definitely done. Look at that. Fork went right in there. Okay, so I'm going to use my cooking scissor and remove the, it's too hot, remove the, what do you call it, string? Too hot. Okay, it's very, very hot. So I took all the string off it. It was difficult to do because it was hot. So we used a knife and the scissor. So I'm going to try to slice some of this now. I hope it's not too hot that it's going to fall apart on me. I probably should let it cool a little, but I wanted to finish the video. Oh, look at that. Tender as could be. Let me see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Turkey's like butter. Butter. Look at that. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice the turkey. I'll slice it off camera. I'll put it out on the board here, and then I'll transfer it to my platter, and we'll put the juice on it. And then we're going to do a taste testing. We made some stuffing to go with it. So look at this. But who says you can't cook a turkey in the slow cooker? Of course you can. Okay. So I'll be back in a few minutes when I get this sliced. Yummy. Okay, so I sliced the turkey. It was so hot. some of it was falling apart. That's how tender it was. So I have a dish here with stuffing. Now I'm going to put some of the juice on the turkey, and then we're going to do a taste testing. It looks good. Oh yeah. I'll put a picture in for you. But it came out so tender. It was falling apart, actually. Use your meat thermometer. I think you could have probably even cooked this at 6 hours instead of 7. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to dig in. Alrighty. Look at that. Very good, but honestly, I think next time, I'm gonna cook it for less time because I think it's just falling apart, but it's just a little bit dry because this cooked for a long time. It's very good, got that nice combination of taste, but give it a try. Why not? So easy to do. It's a perfect little size. And why put yourself through a big headache making this big turkey that nobody's gonna eat? So anyway, I'm gonna have my dinner now. If I don't see you, happy Thanksgiving to all of you. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I always read the comments. And oh, by the way, I did go to Costco while this was cooking. They have fantastic Christmas things over there. And guess what? I filmed them all for you. So look ahead soon. As soon as I get a chance, I'll put the Costco Christmas time video on for you. So let me eat this before it gets cold. I'll see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles!